All right, we're finally taking some time today to install my new 10 gigabit NIC card. So let me show you. All right, here it is. It's a TP-Link 10 gig PCIe network adapter, and it's gonna go in this dude. I've already upgraded my network switch, which is down here. I've got a 10 gig 8-port switch, and it goes to my Google Fiber, which is an 8 gig plan. Sorry, not 8 gig, 5 gig plan. So I've already got all this unplugged in the back, so I'm going to move it over here and we'll put it in. All right, now that I got this moved, we'll take off the case. And I posted a video of me building this, but and there's a TikTok series on it, but this is pretty simple. We're just going to remove these thumb screws here, and these panels will slide off. So thumb screws out, and that just pops off. Set that to the side, and then this glass literally just pulls straight up. And that's it. And again, this is the Lil & Lee mini Snow White case, and I love it. It's awesome. So I just need to take this off now so we can put the NIC card in here, and hopefully we have room. I guess we'll find out. All right, so here's the actual card. It's wrapped up in some plastic. Then we got a faceplate, and it looks like we've got, oh cool, they even send you a little, it's probably Cat 7 or Cat 8 cable. So I have the ROG Strix Z690A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, and you can see all the different slots here. And it basically tells you what each one of these are. For example, 6 is going to be where the M.2 drives are, and then 3 is the PCIe expansion slots. Here's the rest. So the easiest thing to do is to go to pcpartpicker.com and add your motherboard. And then you can scroll down and add a wired network adapter. And I started typing TP-Link, and this is the one I got, tx401, and see if it's compatible, and it is. Again, it's pcpartpicker.com. Great website to have. I used it when building my PC and choosing all the parts that I wanted. But note, some of the things on there, like fan size and things like that, it will tell you like it doesn't know whether or not it will be compatible. All right, so I've got all my computer tools over here. You'll see any of this stuff in my Amazon store. These screwdrivers are awesome, or even this power, I forget what it's actually called, but this power screwdriver is amazing as well. But what I'm looking for is this dude. It is a wrist strap that you put on to ground yourself. But yeah, here's all the rest of the stuff I've got as well. All right, I've got the strap on. I'm grounded to the computer. Again, probably not totally necessary to do that nowadays, but with a $100 NIC and a very expensive computer, I'd prefer to be on the safe side. So this case is pretty neat. You don't need to take off this whole thing. You can just take off this one piece, and it will slide out those two panels. And that's where we'll throw the card. All right, we got it in there, kind of hard to see, but we basically just took out that little plate and then popped it in, and hopefully it will work. We'll see. So I've got the glass put back on, and the front plate, that literally takes 2 seconds. I love this case. It's the Lil & Lee mini Snow White. And we'll flip it around, put it over there, and plug it in. Got everything plugged in, and it fits very well. So now we'll turn it on and see how it looks. All right, here we go. Wish me luck. We'll see how it goes. After I turn it off and disconnect it from power, it loses its color settings for some reason. I have to go in and reapply them. Usually I have it just set to white instead of the rainbow. But here we go. And I guess we'll take a look at the NIC colors too. All right, it looks like it sees it right here. It's the Ethernet controller, and you can see the driver's not installed. It probably didn't install it because I don't have my Wi-Fi turned on. so it wasn't able to download it when it booted up. So let's turn the Wi-Fi on and connect, and hopefully it will automatically install the driver. All right, it looks like that did it. We have the 10 gigabit adapter showing. Now let's see if it was able to negotiate the 10 gig. All right, so I'm under network and internet. I clicked on Ethernet, and you can see here it's negotiated 10 gigabit. So it's got a 10 gig link from my router to my computer. Well, technically computer, switch, then router. All I had to do was turn on my Wi-Fi to get it to automatically download the driver. Otherwise, it probably would have done it on boot. And my colors came back, so that's good. We're all set. Let's try a speed test just to see. Before I was only getting 2 gig because I had a 2 gig Ethernet adapter. Now I'm getting the full 5 gig, which is cool. Even more than 5 gig. And it's symmetrical, so I should get 5 down and 5 up. So here's the upload, and we're getting way more than 5. Cool, we're getting almost 6. Very cool. Again, I have Google Fiber, which is awesome. So yeah, got it installed. If you have any questions or interested in any of this stuff, just click my TikTok profile, and under there you'll see a link, and any of the tools that you see me use, any of the tech that I talk about, anything in any of my videos is in my Amazon store. Or I've got a Discord where I'm happy to talk to you one-on-one as well about any questions that you may have.